Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find where your exported videos went. So if you select export here, this is where your videos will be in this path. So if you click on this folder right here, you guys are going to see that I have saved mine in this path. Now you won't exactly have the same path as mine. You can also change it if you want. For instance, you want to save it in videos here, it's going to change again, but I'm going to save it in desktop and vids. You can also change, like create a new folder and save it there, but I already did, which is the videos one. Select the folder. It's going to be empty, but you're just going to select it and you're going to then export it. Now if you've already exported it, you're just going to select the folder and then you're just going to select this and you're just going to copy and paste it in your file explorer. So copy it and paste it later on your files. You can also, like for instance here, export. You can also find it here. So open folder and it's going to be here. Oh, sorry, my voice. If it's not here, you can select this bit here and paste the path that we copied, and it's going to bring you to that folder. So yeah, that is it basically. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!